competitions never belong to 7 lakh people. Trust me. Now suppose this year UPSC is providing around 700 or 600 seats. That means in the mains they will get selected around 1500 people, 15,000 people. अब एक symmetry लेते हैं 15,000 people. This year also they wrote the examination of mains. Yes or no? Out of this, around 12,000 people disqualified. Only 3,000 people can go for interview. So this 12,000 people already read GS twice. दो बार ये पढ़ चुके हैं, one for PT, one for mains. Now this 3,000 people is again moving to interview. They can again revise the whole GS before their interview. The final selection belong to around 700 people. Out of the 700 people, 120 people are IAS. That means other people are eligible to attempt again. That means out of 700, 500 people again attempt. Out of this 3,723, 2,000 people इसमें से भी दोबारा जाएंगे, सबके अटेम्प्ट खत्म हो जाएंगे. And out of this 12,000, around 10,000 people again appear. अगर मैं cumulative figure निकालता हूँ तो 12,000 people are your exactly competitor. इनको PT में मात देना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. तो new seats are remaining how much only? 3,000. इसके लिए आप competition कर रहे हैं.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एस्पायर IAS चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए.
I am conducting this session for the purpose of one thing, that how my experience can help you. So every man is a man who is guiding by some experience, and I am having the experience of at least 17 years in this preparation. So many people I already guided, and again I am on a mission that I can help several of you, those who are struggling in qualifying the PT examination, because it is the ultimate step. Without qualifying the PT examination, we are not in a condition to go further. So this photograph you people are watching, this is my, that is a pic of my classroom of 2015. तो दिस इज अ 2014-15. द स्टूडेंट्स आर लाइक यू ओनली. आज इनमें से बहुत सारे बच्चे सभी कुछ ना कुछ बन गए हैं, बट दोज हु आर इन दिस फील्ड, इसमें सबसे बड़ा फोटो किसका है? नंदिनी का. तो शी वाज इन द बैच, शी वाज लाइक दिस, शी वाज लाइक दिस. श्रुति बोथ आर फ्रॉम कर्नाटका. नाउ वन इज इंडियन फॉरेन सर्विस एंड वन इज फ्रांस एंड वन इज दैट इज इंडियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विस कर्नाटका कैडर. और इसमें बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो बन चुके हैं कहीं ना कहीं. विवेक है जो मध्य प्रदेश कैडर है, नवोदिता SDM यूपी, सोनाली उड़ीसा, लक्ष्मी ASP इन मणिपुर, अशोक तमिलनाडु PCS, नरेंद्र पंत SP इन उत्तराखंड. तो देर आर सो मैनी पीपल हु somehow learn the art. So there is a very pious relationship between the teacher as well as the students. The students are opting a teacher for the purpose, and what is the purpose? Guidance. So we all are intelligent. We all are knowing what exactly studies. तो हमें यहाँ dictation नहीं चाहिए, हमें यहाँ ये नहीं चाहिए कि what is a material, how to read. We all are knowing because we all are graduate. But even we are graduate, we are not in a condition to qualify a simple preliminary examination. Reason. Now this is a question mark. Everybody is knowing the material. If I am asking from somebody for polity, they raise the answer Lakshmikant. How they are knowing? Internet. Then I am saying okay, for environment they are saying some other material. This is a portal, we cannot take the name of every institute. Then for current affairs, you people say sir these booklets monthly available in the market. Then I am saying or history sir spectrum book we are recommended in some material. If you are knowing every material, even then you people are not in a condition to qualify the examination. What exactly are the reason? So reason are so many. सबसे पहले attitude while entering in this examination preparation. ये एग्जाम बहुत हार्ड है, बहुत हार्ड. एडजेक्टिव, वेरी हार्ड एग्जामिनेशन. दिस इज ओनली एन एग्जामिनेशन, सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. तो वी आर एंटरिंग इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एरेना बाय फीलिंग दैट दिस एग्जामिनेशन इज वेरी हार्ड. This is just an exam. Every exam has some pattern, but we are not knowing that pattern, and we are feeling that this exam is very hard, and now mindset is that this exam is very hard. Then for this exam we should read everything. Now again, for this exam we should read with revision, but we are saying everything below the sun and the earth is UPSC material or preparation. Again the wrong statement. So before that journey toward the June, the first thing which I really want through this seminar is only one, that you people can abolish, eliminate all the adjectives. Consider this exam as one of the exam where competition is high because vacancies are less. Even minor error of 0.33 marks kill you and your career in a substantial manner. Number two, In this examination, reading is not sufficient. After reading, 20 time revision is very important. तो ये तो हो गया मेरा preliminary part that you should remember. Now we can start with what exactly we can do for you, how you can proceed. This session is an open session. Workshop means we can try to help everyone, irrespective you will come for further batches or not. So try to understand, UPSC is asking 100 question in preliminary examination, but what is a symmetry? Symmetry says they are asking 40 questions, very simple and very basic. 40 questions of moderate hardness level where analytical skills they are checking, analytical skills. And 20 questions they are asking very hard, out of the box, which only few people are in a condition from their past knowledge, they can solve it. Otherwise, it is very, very hard that these people are in a condition to solve this type of question. Maximum casualty is coming in this area. Maximum casualty is coming in this area, which is a 40 easiest question. क्योंकि हम hardest question को prepare करते हैं, we are not in a condition to learn the concepts. Those people who came for the first time last year or this year, while they are attending only a simple batch of Aspire mapping module, they realized that yes, there is a difference between their past learning and the present learning. School days में हम क्या पढ़ते थे? Concepts. That's why our percentage was 90%. यहाँ पर आने के बाद हम अपने स्कूल डेज भूल गए और हम लोग एक रेस में निकल पड़े जिसको हम बोलते हैं शीप हर्ड मेंटेलिटी. ये भी उठा लो, ये भी उठा लो, ये भी पढ़ लो, वो भी पढ़ लो, एंड वी फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस इज एग्जामिनेशन बिलोंग टू ऑल India examination. That means a village person from Leh Ladakh to Kanyakumari is also appearing in this examination. They are not crafting this paper for Delhi people or coaching people. They crafted this paper for anyone who are having a substantial amount of knowledge in basics of geography, polity, economics, history, as well as some government policies, nothing else. So this 40 question Samikaran is very important, but problem is that still in our mind 2017 pattern exists. In 2017 suddenly UPSC asked the question paper which purely belonged to current affairs. Out of 100 questions, 60 questions were directly from any coaching. I am not taking only one, any coaching current affairs material. They asked simple direct question. What is Sagarika? What is Sindhu Rakshak? What is remote sensing satellites? Simple question. At that time people scored 135, 130, 132 in the PT examination. Nowadays 95, 92, 97, even 90 marks is a very typical marks. Kyun? 2070 onwards, 18, 19, 20, they are making the overall paper analytical. Under analytical, those people who prepare vastly for mains, they are feeling very convenient. Why? Because mains preparation is covering a comprehensive part of syllabus. That's why when the statement will come, it will looking like a mains statement. And those people who wrote the mains examination, they easily qualified it. Even in this paper, they scored 120, 130, 105 marks easily. And there are so many examples in my classes also. Those who wrote the mains, they easily scored good marks. So try to understand. First of all, you should always remember the trend of UPSC, not the trend of market. In our childhood days, we are always getting the benefit of 10-year paper. And UPSC 10-year paper is available everywhere. So analyze it. Capture the language of UPSC itself. Don't try to capture the language of coaching center papers. Always have one guide in your hand when you are preparing, that is UPSC 10-year paper for preliminary examination. What is the benefit? Benefit is that you can easily capture the language of UPSC. So many times we are having the tendency to make the question wrong only because we are having difficulty in reading the statements of UPSC. A statement is very easy, but we are not in a condition to judge the statement in 2 hours. क्योंकि 2 घंटे का pressure बहुत heavy होता है. In 2 hours your future is also coming in your mind. This thing is also coming कि इस बार भी अगर fail हो गया तो क्या होगा? और एक simple सा statement आ गया. In the northern latitudes, the sun energy is more vibrant than the southern hemisphere energy, which resulted into the more temperature variation in the northern hemisphere. Hindi version. नदन पार्ट में सन एनर्जी डायरेक्ट पड़ती है जिसकी वजह से लैंड पर ज़्यादा एब्जॉर्ब होती है, इसलिए वहाँ टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होता है. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. ठंडा माइंड. तो बाहर आने के बाद आफ्टर द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल वी आर फीलिंग दैट समहाउ पेपर इज इजी, बट वी कमिटेड द मिस्टेक. दैट मीन्स You should prepare from today under the exam like conditions, under the exam like pressure, not in your comfort, out of your comfort zone. तो आपको अपने comfort zone से बाहर आना पड़ेगा. So first of all, whenever we are going for any war, whenever we are going for any type of competition, there is a difference between academics and competition. ये भी आपका एक शत्रु है. This is also one of your enemy, because you are having your image of academics and you want to replicate that image of academics in competition. I am a good runner in Talkatora Stadium, but what exactly is the condition that I can win the Olympic Games? Now this is a Hippocratic image exists in our mind. I am a topper in academics. Oh, I can do this competition easily. No, both are different. Your IQ is good, that is intact, but both the things and the strategy should be very, very different. Academics may before 10 days is sufficient, but in this preparation at least 100 days of consistency is important. आप सबके इंजन ऑन होते हैं 30 दिन पहले. You are having the capacity of reading 10 to 15 pages comfortably every day, but in the starting you are reading only 2 pages. And before the exam you are trying to read 40-50 pages per day. How it is possible? So try to understand some innate things is very important, which we are discussing in this session. The first is your target should be this 40 question. Why? This 40 question, not a single question can make incorrect by 10,000 people who have the experience to write the mains multiple times. So what exactly is your competition? Competitions never belong to 7 lakh people. Trust me. Now suppose this year UPSC is providing around 700 or 600 seats. That means in the mains they will get selected around 1500 people, 15,000 people. अब एक symmetry लेते हैं. 15,000 people. This year also they wrote the examination of mains. Yes or no? Out of this, around 12,000 people disqualified. Only 3,000 people can go for interview. So this 12,000 people already read GS twice. दो बार ये पढ़ चुके हैं, one for PT, one for mains. Now this 3,000 people is again moving to interview. They can again revise the whole GS before their interview. The final selection belong to around 700 people. Out of the 700 people, 120 people are IAS. That means other people are eligible to attempt again. That means out of 700, 500 people again attempt. Out of this 3,723, 2,000 people इसमें से भी दोबारा जाएंगे, सबके अटेम्प्ट खत्म हो जाएंगे. एंड आउट ऑफ दिस 12,000 अराउंड 10,000 पीपल अगेन अपीयर. अगर मैं क्यूमुलेटिव फिगर निकालता हूं तो 12,000 पीपल आर योर एग्जैक्टली कॉम्पिटिटर. इनको पीटी में मात देना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. तो न्यू सीट्स आर रिमेनिंग हाउ मच? ओनली 3,000. इसके लिए आप कंपटीशन कर रहे हैं. तो योर कॉम्पिटिटर आर नॉट द मासेस, दे आर नॉट एट ऑल सीरियस. दे आर कमिंग हियर बिकॉज somebody want to take the revenge from someone, because somebody want to prove herself or himself. Only few people are having the interest to enter in this job. और इन लोगों से ही हमारा कंपटीशन है. तो पहले मान के चलो कंपटीशन कितने लोगों से है? 15,000 लोगों से कंपटीशन है. एंड आउट ऑफ दिस 15,000, making your name in this list is very easy if you follow some basic principle which we are now discussing in this particular session. तो पहली सिमेट्री हमें पता चल गई. Who are our competitor? Those who wrote the mains once, twice, thrice, or even those who got selected in this examination. हाँ या ना? तो they are not the competitor of those, that is the people जो आप लोग राजेंद्र नगर की गलियों में देखते हो या आपके साथ बैठ के टेस्ट लिखते हो. उनमें से कुछ ही लोग आपके कॉम्पिटिटर हैं, उन्हीं से आपको कंपटीशन करना है. अपने से नीचे वालों को नहीं देखना है, अपने से थोड़े से ऊपर वालों को देखना है. तभी अंदर से एक फायरिंग स्पिरिट आती है. यू शुड गाइडेड बाय फायर, नॉट द कंपल्शन कि आप यहाँ किसी जबरदस्ती तरीके से यहाँ पर आए हैं. अब आगे चलते हैं.